Securing botanical gardens requires a comprehensive strategy to safeguard delicate plant collections. Begin with a well-designed perimeter fence that deters unauthorized access while blending into the natural landscape. Employ surveillance cameras to monitor activity, ensuring they cover all critical areas. Regular patrols by trained security personnel can provide immediate response to any incidents. Implement access control measures, allowing entry only to authorized staff and visitors. Educate staff on emergency protocols and conduct regular drills. Collaborate with local law enforcement for additional support and training. Lastly, invest in alarm systems to alert security of potential breaches, ensuring the garden remains a safe haven for biodiversity.